Welcome to Phase 10 here in the Grove. Now, if you've seen any of my recent videos, you'll know that I've been in Phase 10 here at the Grove a few different times. First one was a couple of months ago, actually a few months ago, and it was before anything was built, which as you can see is obviously not the case now. And in that video, I gave an overview of what was going on here in Phase 10, who the builders were, what the lot sizes were, and things like that. And a couple of weeks ago, I did a feature of some quick move-in Highland homes that were available here in Phase 10. And as you may recall, the two builders here in this section of the Grove are Highland, which are building on the 74-foot wide lots, and American Legend, who are building on a 65-foot wide lot. Well, today I'm going to be featuring one of the American Legend quick move-in homes on their 65-foot wide lot. It's located on a street that's a cul-de-sac. End of the cul-de-sac is right behind me. So it's a great location. And to be honest with you, Phase 10's a little bit different. It's unique. It's like tucked back. It's its own little corner of the Grove. And it is the last section of the Grove to be built before the Grove Part 2, as I'm calling it, which is going to be built on the north side of Main Street. And some of the builders are just starting to be announced for that. So if you'd like information on what's going on in Phase 2 of the Grove or Part 2 of the Grove, then feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to share that with you. The home that I'm going to be featuring with you today is the one that you see directly behind me. It's actually the most popular floor plan that American Legend have built here in Phase 10. It offers 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, has just over 4,000 square feet of living space, and I think you're really gonna like it. Let's go take a look. So this home was just recently completed. There's only a few minor touch-ups remaining, so it is pretty much ready to go. And the first thing that struck me as I stepped into this home is how bright it is. And I say that today, it's actually fairly cloudy. We've got the sun peeking out a tiny bit, but we've been having some rain showers. And even so, it was completely overcast when I walked through this home just a few minutes ago. And the amount of natural light was fantastic. It was really bright. Let's take a look around. So right when you walk in, there are really tall ceilings. They go up about 20 feet all the way up there. And that kind of adds to all of the light, having those really tall ceilings. You've got the full glass sliders at the back of the house there, which we'll get to in just a minute. But first and foremost, here off to the left of the front door, you do have an office or a study that's located here on the front of the home. Adjacent to that, you do have one additional bedroom. So in addition to the primary bedroom, you do have another bedroom here on the first floor as well, which is perfect for a guest room, maybe an elderly parent that's living with you, or a teenager, anything along those lines. It does have a full bath attached. So you've got the vanity here. And then over here, as I walk in, you do have a full walk-in shower right here. So really nice overall. And as we continue back this way, you also have the laundry room. So a nice sized laundry room. It does lead directly into the master closet, which we'll come to. So you've got a sink and you've got the upper cabinets, and then just a good size overall. All of your high-speed cable wiring is located in the laundry room in this particular plan as well. As we make our way over here, you do have a mud bench, and then you do have a half bath adjacent right here as well. And that door leads out to the garage. And even though it looked like a 2-car garage, 2 single doors, it is in fact a 3-car. So it is a tandem garage on this home. So again, there are those sliders across the back of the home, but then you also have another set of windows up high there, which is one of the reasons you have so much light in here. And this is just a beautiful space. It's really perfect for entertaining. You've got the fireplace, it's tiled in a 12 by 24 tile. that goes all the way up to the ceiling there. You have a little bar area over here that is ready to have a beverage cooler, wine fridge, whatever you'd like put in there. And as I pan back around this way, give you a really good idea of the kitchen. So a really long, nice island, so you can comfortably fit 5 bar stools there. If you're all skinny, maybe you could squeeze in an extra one, but really nice the way this kitchen is laid out. And then you have the one and only eating area here across the back. And again, you look at those windows, they go from about just over a foot off the floor all the way up. And then you've got another big, large window on this side as well, which again, just adds to the light. So the cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling. You've got this natural, almost a slight golden color on the white cabinets. And then these beautiful quartz counters with a waterfall countertop all the way down on the main island. The big farmhouse sink. You've got a 6-burner signature Wi-Fi enabled cooktop. So Wi-Fi enabled, that would be great if it would cook for you. And then you've got more cabinets down here as well. As we make our way back across this way, you're going to come into the main bedroom. So really nice sized room overall. Again, big, tall, vaulted ceilings. And you've got your windows across the back. And then as we head into the main bath area, you've got the full step-in shower, really nice size. You've got the separate soaking tub, and then just a bank of cabinets all the way down the side with the additional cabinets right in the middle. So a great job there overall. And then as we make our way into the closet, it's built out with lots of shelving. So you've got room for shirts, pants, a spot for dresses. Spin around this way. You then got more cubbies for sweaters or for shoes or whatever you need. Spin around this way. You've got built-in drawers, 2 sets of built-in drawers, more hanging space, more cubbies, and then you've got more hanging space here as well. So a really nice large closet with a great utilization of space. And then as mentioned earlier, it does lead directly into the laundry room. Now, before I head outside, what do you think of this home overall? Do you see why it's American Legend's most popular floor plan here in the Grove 65s? Let me know, comment below and let me know what you think of this floor plan. Do you love it? Do you hate it? What is it that you like most? All that good stuff. Now, if you'd like additional information about this home, go ahead and click the QR code right here. It's going to take you directly to the property details page, which is going to have all of the updated pricing as well as additional information about the home. And if you have any questions whatsoever about any other homes that American Legend are building here in the Grove, whether it's in the 65s or in the other section, which is just about built out completely, then please feel free to reach out. You can call or text the number on the screen, or alternatively, in the description below, you are going to find a link to my calendar. And I invite you to reach out and book a call with me at a time that's convenient for you. Now let's go take a look outside. So you do have a really nice covered patio here. It would be easy to screen this in, especially if you were going to open those doors up all the way. But like with the quick move-in Highland homes I featured a couple of weeks ago, the one downside to this side of the street is you do back up to Main Street. So the other side of that wall is Main Street. So I'm not gonna lie, you are going to get some road noise in this house overall. But saying that, considering this house is done and considering it does back up to Main Street, that usually means that we can negotiate a better deal. So if this is something you'd be interested in learning more about, then please don't hesitate to reach out. So now that we've made our way upstairs, you may have noticed that the wood floors that are found throughout the main level of the home are also here on the second level. So the game room, which is right behind me, and the hallways here on the second level are also going to be wood floors. All of the bedrooms are carpet with the exception of the master. So here at the top of the stairs, again, the first thing you come into is this game room. And adjacent to the game room, this one does have a media room. So it is all set, ready to go, all wired. And it does have doors on it so it can be shut off to the rest of the house and the game room. Now, adjacent to that here, you do have a full bath right here. So you've got the vanity, and then this one does have a tub shower combo. And then one of your 2 upstairs bedrooms is going to be located adjacent to that. Fairly typical size room for a guest bedroom. Nothing overly large, but completely functional. And then as we make our way back across to the other side, you are going to come to the second bedroom that's located here upstairs. This room is definitely a bit bigger, so it is the bigger of the 2. Nice size room here overall. And this one does have its own bath. So you have the vanity area right here, and then you do have a step-in shower as well. So there you have it. Now that you've seen the entire property, what do you think? Do you love this floor plan? Do you not like this floor plan? Do you love this floor plan but wish it was in a different location? If that's the case, reach out. Call or text the number on your screen because there are still some other lots available here in the 65s of Phase 10 with American Legend. So we can see about possibly getting this floor plan on another lot for you. But overall, I hope that you've enjoyed this tour of this home. And as I mentioned before, if you have questions or if you're looking for a new construction home anywhere in Frisco or the immediate surrounding area, then I invite you to reach out. I visit with builders almost every single day, so I know a lot of the different floor plans and a lot of the different communities, and I would be more than happy to help match you with the builder and the community that best suits your needs. Go ahead and scan that QR code. It's going to take you to my calendar where you can book a free 30-minute consultation call where I'd love to learn more about what it is that you're looking for in a new home. And as mentioned, in the description below, I do have a link to the property details page for this home that's going to give you all of the latest pricing and additional details about the home. So thanks so much for spending some time here with me today. Now don't go anywhere, as I know you're going to enjoy one of these videos coming up next.